that.
Yeah, I know. I got it.
Seriously?
That was a driver that sucked the snow off their car. Oh, blizzard. Blizzard, blizzard. Oh, that's a bad one. Subaru drivers. That's a bad one. Two bad ones. Nissan drivers. All right, avalanche. Avalanche. Yep, look at them all go. Yikes. Look at that Jeep. Look at it. All right, it snowed 2 days ago. Those two guys. What the? You don't even have your windshield cleared off. Oh! Oh, we're blowing a lot of snow off that thing. Yeah, we're gonna have a blizzard. Yep, there we go. There we go.
Skilling himself.
You gotta clear the snow from your headlight. Oh, geez, look at that van. Look at all the snow on top.
Fastow was handsomely rewarded for this work, but for him it wasn't enough.
And
So
we got an
over time,
avalanche.
Fastow found other ways to gratuitous
Missed
annual
2/3 of your
self-promotion
roof.
reads an entry on Skilling's calendar next to
Subaru drivers. Gotta hate them.
For the past several years, Enron has
Honda
successfully
drivers.
utilized and be highly judgmental. Captain's own appraisal of Enron's accounting. Obviously, we are on board with Holmes. Lived in a starkly contemporary house that featured a glass staircase. The two traveled widely, and within Enron, Copper was known as a jet setter and a fashion hound.
Yeah,
with
another-
Prada suits.
Nice, turn it
Although
off. I
Copper
can't
made
follow
over
them
$1
no
million
more.
in